The human body, a complex and resilient machine, possesses an extraordinary ability to heal. From minor cuts to major injuries, our bodies initiate a complex cascade of events, a carefully choreographed dance of cells and signals, all aimed at restoring integrity. This is the process of wound healing, an essential aspect of human health and survival. Understanding this intricate process unveils the remarkable capacity of our bodies to regenerate and repair. The skin, our outermost barrier, is often the first line of defense, prone to breaches and injuries. Yet within this delicate layer lies the potential for complete restoration. Whether it's a paper cut or a surgical incision, the body embarks on a well-defined journey of healing, a testament to its inherent drive for self-preservation. Imagine a bustling city street suddenly disrupted by a burst water pipe. The immediate priority is to stop the flow to contain the damage. Similarly, the first stage of wound healing, hemostasis, focuses on stemming blood loss. Damaged blood vessels constrict, narrowing the flow of blood to the injured area. Platelets, those tiny disc-shaped cells circulating in our blood, rush to the scene. These cellular first responders clump together, forming a temporary plug at the wound site. They also release signaling molecules, calling for reinforcements and initiating the next phase of healing. This initial clotting is crucial. It prevents excessive bleeding and sets the stage for the subsequent repair processes. The wound, once a site of damage, is now a controlled environment, ready for the next wave of cellular activity. Inflammation, often perceived negatively, is actually a crucial part of healing. Think of it as the body dispatching its cleaning crew to the injury site. This phase, aptly named inflammation, is characterized by swelling, redness, heat, and sometimes pain. These are not signs of a failing system, but rather visible indicators of a powerful defense mechanism at work. White blood cells, the soldiers of our immune system, flood the wounded area. Neutrophils, the first responders, engulf and destroy bacteria, preventing infection. Macrophages, the larger cleaning crew, arrive later, clearing out cellular debris and releasing growth factors, signaling molecules that stimulate tissue repair. This orchestrated immune response is essential for preparing the wound bed for the rebuilding process. With the wound cleaned and secured, the body begins the task of rebuilding. Enter the proliferation phase, marked by the formation of granulation tissue, the foundation upon which new tissue will grow. This specialized tissue, rich in blood vessels and collagen, fills the wound bed, gradually closing the gap. Fibroblasts, the construction workers of our body, migrate to the wound site, laying down new collagen fibers. These strong, fibrous proteins act as scaffolding, providing structural support to the newly forming tissue. The wound contracts as new cells proliferate, pulling the edges closer. This phase is a hive of activity, a testament to the body's remarkable ability to regenerate. The final stage of wound healing, remodeling, can last for months or even years. This phase is all about refinement, about transforming the initial, somewhat haphazardly constructed repair into a more organized and stronger structure. Collagen fibers, initially laid down in a disorganized fashion, rearrange themselves, becoming more aligned and increasing the tensile strength of the scar tissue. The scar, initially red and raised, gradually fades, becoming paler and flatter. While the new tissue will never be an exact replica of the original, it restores the skin's integrity, providing a protective barrier against the outside world. The body's remarkable journey of healing, from the initial moments of damage control to the final stages of refinement, is a testament to its innate drive for self-preservation. Factors influencing healing, age, nutrition, and beyond. While the body is generally well equipped to heal, several factors can influence the speed and efficiency of wound healing. Age plays a role, with wounds tending to heal slower in older adults. Nutrition is crucial, as adequate protein, vitamins, especially vitamin C, and minerals are essential building blocks for new tissue. Certain medical conditions, such as diabetes, can impair healing by affecting blood flow and immune function. Smoking also hinders the process, as nicotine constricts blood vessels, reducing oxygen and nutrient delivery to the wound site. Understanding these factors allows healthcare professionals to optimize conditions for healing and address potential complications. When healing falters, understanding chronic wounds. While most wounds heal efficiently, some fail to progress through the normal stages, becoming chronic wounds. These wounds, often associated with underlying medical conditions like diabetes or vascular disease, pose significant challenges to healthcare systems worldwide. They cause suffering, impact quality of life, and can lead to serious complications. Managing chronic wounds requires a multidisciplinary approach, addressing not only the wound itself, but also the underlying factors contributing to its persistence. Advanced wound care products, specialized dressings, and innovative therapies are constantly evolving to improve outcomes for patients with these complex wounds. The future of wound care, innovation and regeneration. The field of wound care is continuously evolving, driven by a quest to improve healing outcomes and address the challenges posed by chronic wounds. Researchers are exploring novel therapies, from bioengineered skin substitutes to growth factor-based treatments aimed at accelerating healing and minimizing scarring. Stem cell therapy, a rapidly advancing field, holds immense promise for regenerative medicine, including wound healing. These versatile cells have the potential to differentiate into various cell types, offering the possibility of regenerating damaged tissues and restoring function. The future of wound care is bright, with innovation and discovery paving the way for improved patient care and outcomes. A symphony of processes. Appreciating the complexity of healing. The healing of a wound, often taken for granted, is a remarkable feat of biological engineering. It is a testament to the body's extraordinary ability to repair and regenerate. From the initial clotting cascade to the final stages of scar remodeling, each step is precisely orchestrated, a testament to the intricate interplay of cells, signals, and processes. Understanding the science of wound healing allows us to appreciate the complexity of this intricate process. It highlights the importance of proper wound care, the need to address factors that may impede healing, and the exciting possibilities offered by ongoing research and innovation. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of wound healing, we move closer to developing even more effective therapies, improving patient outcomes, and ultimately enhancing the body's remarkable capacity to heal.